हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम हैं जावा शोरूम और आज बात करेंगे जावा 42 के बारे में, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सेलर्स इन जावा। इट इज़ अ कॉम्पिटिटर टू क्लासिक 350 विच इज़ द बेस्ट सेलर ऑफ रॉयल इनफील्ड, लेकिन जावा ने कंपटीशन में अपनी बाइक के साथ उतार दिया है। 42 इज़ इन द मार्केट फॉर लास्ट अराउंड 2.5 years. It's been upgraded into BS6 model since March, and what all changes are there in the BS6 model? आज हम बात करेंगे जावा 42 के बारे में, so let's get started. So guys, this is Java 42 available by Java in the Indian market, and this has been recently upgraded by the Java into BS6. BS6 में आने के बाद there is much refinement, and जो कुछ कमियां थी पहले Java में उनको निकाल दिया है, and it has been corrected by the Java. So बात करते हैं इंजन स्पेसिफिकेशंस के बारे में। तो इंजन इज़ 293 cc DOHC liquid cooled engine. That means you, like all the rest of the Java bikes, you are having radiator at the front. That means temperature का कोई issue नहीं है, and the temperature of the engine has been regulated properly. This is one of the advantages and best thing about the Java bikes, that in all the bikes of Java you are having radiator, और radiator की cooling as compared to oil cool and air cooled बहुत efficient होती है, and it can take the stress of the longer rides more efficiently as compared to the air cooled and the oil cooled engines. You are getting dual disc option in the bike and the standard ABS. That means if you are getting bike as dual disc, you are getting dual channel ABS, and if you are getting the front disc and the rear drum like you have in front right now, so you are going to get single channel ABS. But I'll suggest everyone that you go for the dual disc bike because it is more safe, and the dual channel ABS works more efficiently as compared to the single channel ABS. And yes, life is more precious than anything else in the world. You should opt for the best possible security and safety that you can have. So you should go for the dual disc brakes. Brakes are decent enough, good, and the stopping is really nice. You can stop up to speed of 60 in around 3 to 4 seconds, and it's not going to take longer distance to stop the bike completely. And the efficiency of the front brake is really good. I like the braking of the bike, and the sitting posture is upright, so it will give you a better seating and comfortable riding on the bike. Dual exhaust is the signature of Java bikes, and yes, you are going to get dual exhaust again in the Java 42 also, and in Java Classic and in Java Parag. So that means in the 42 also you are getting the dual exhaust, and the look of the dual exhaust is gorgeous. Bikes look really great, and the rear profile of the bike because of the dual exhaust is really awesome. You are going to distinctly notify that yes, this is the Java bike going ahead of you, and पहचानने में आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाली। दूर से ही देखकर आप पहचान सकते हैं कि yes, ये जो डुअल साइलेंसर वाली बाइक है ये जावा जा रही है। अब बात करते हैं फ्यूल टैंक की। सो फ्यूल टैंक जो है वो रेट्रो लुक के साथ है, एंड विथ अ सर्कुलर फ्यूल लिड and with the Java branding on it, and it really good gives you a really retro look and a good look to the bike. Switches की बात करें तो quality of the switches and the plastic is really good. The quality is felt really nice. The switches are decent enough, and you are getting the kill switch on the bike. So guys, this is the meter console of Java 42. Meter में you have analog speedometer, you have analog fuel meter and digital trip meter. This meter is a combination of digital and analog meters both, and you are getting different lights. You like ABS light, you can see it's blinking right now, and you have your indicator lights, you have your headlight indicators, and everything is there on the display. The placement of speedometer on the Java 42 is a bit different. ये थोड़ा सा मॉडर्नाइज लुक है यहाँ पर इसका, दैट द मीटर हैज़ बीन शिफ्टेड ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द बाइक एज नॉट इन द सेंटर, जैसा दूसरी बाइक्स में होता है. सो इट्स अ वेरी डिस्टिंक्ट लुक एंड इट रियली लुक्स गुड. बाइक की फ्रंट प्रोफाइल की बात करें तो द सर्कुलर हेडलाइट ऑफ द बाइक रियली गिव्स अ ग्रेट लुक एंड द डिसेंट रेट्रो लुक. जो मोटो था डिज़ाइनर्स का टू क्रिएट अ रेट्रो बाइक विद द मॉडर्न फीचर्स, आई थिंक दे आर सक्सेसफुल, and this front profile of the bike is really awesome. The bike gives the power of 27 bhp and 28 Newton meter of torque. That means whenever you are going to pull the throttle, the bike is going to give you a good response, and yes, the bike is going to be felt on the road, and speed में आपको कोई problem नहीं होने वाली है. Performance of the bike is really good, and on the road it really drives well with the low engine noise and yes, a good thump. अब बात करते हैं कुछ उन इश्यूज़ के बारे में जो पहले जावा में लोगों ने फेल किए हैं, 42 में लोगों ने नोटिस किए हैं, एंड दे हैव प्लेस्ड देयर कमेंट्स एंड ऑब्जर्वेशंस ऑन द यूट्यूब ऑल्सो. आई हैव सीन मेनी. सो BS6 में कुछ चेंजेस कंपनी ने किए हैं. दे हैव अपग्रेडेड इट. पहला जो इशू था दैट वाज दैट देयर वाज फॉग इन द मीटर. नाउ देयर इज़ नो फॉग इन द मीटर. जो पहले वो प्रॉब्लम थी अब रिजॉल्व हो चुकी है. मैं ओनर से भी बात कर चुका हूँ, एंड येस देयर आर नो फॉग इन द मीटर नाउ. अब यहाँ पर किसी भी तरह की फॉग आपको फील नहीं होगी. तो ये प्रॉब्लम जावा ने रिजॉल्व कर दी है. सेकेंड जो प्रॉब्लम थी दैट वाज ऑफ रस्टिंग. As you can see, there is no rusting anywhere in the bike. The bike is clean. The chrome work is really good. And yes, rusting की जो प्रॉब्लम थी जावा के साथ, that has been sorted. Next जो प्रॉब्लम लोगों को बहुत लगी that is the ground clearance of the bike. And if you are riding with a pillion, तो ground clearance और थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. But I have ridden the bike. The ground clearance is not that low. ठीक है, decent enough. And if you are riding with a pillion तो भी कोई ज़्यादा मेजर इशू नहीं है. With the normal speed breakers you are not going to touch your bike on the ground. हाँ, ये लुक कंपनी के डिज़ाइनर्स ने बड़ा सोच के बनाया है, बिकॉज दिस बाइक द रियर लुक ऑफ द बाइक इज रिजेंबलिंग द जावा ओल्ड बाइक्स विच वॉज देयर. जैसे ESD थी, उनको रिलेट करने के लिए दोज बाइक्स वर रियली लो. पीछे से वो काफ़ी नीचे होती थी, तो इस वजह से भी इस बाइक को थोड़ा ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस कम रखा गया है, सो दैट इट कैन डिस्टिंक्टली मैच द लुक ऑफ द जावा विच वॉज mentioned and which was there in the market earlier. So guys, बात करते हैं टायर्स के बारे में. टायर्स are basically tube tires because Java 42 is coming with a spoke wheel and the spoke wheels can't hold the air, so Java 42 में नहीं लग सकते हैं until unless you upgrade yourself to alloy wheel. सीटिंग पोस्चर की अगर बात करें तो सीटिंग पोस्चर इज कंफर्टेबल, अपराइट पोस्चर है. मैं आपको बैठ के दिखाता हूँ. This is the posture that you sit with on Java 42 and the posture is comfortable. You don't feel any kind of a problem in it and your legs are properly placed. The posture है the legs का that is around 70 to 80 degree and this posture is basically very comfortable. Your elbows are straight and the riding pleasure of Java 42 is really good. So guys, ये है Java 42 for you. आज हमने बात की Java 42 के बारे में. This is one of the good bikes that you can opt for. You can take it as an alternate for Classic, because in Royal Enfield Classic you are not getting liquid cooled engine, you are not getting modern features, you are not even getting the fuel meter also. So it's a good alternate for the Royal Enfield. If you are looking for a classic bike with the modern features and modern upgrades, you should have a test ride of the bike, and yes, you are going to feel the difference and you are going to really feel that yes, this is the bike and you should think over it. So that's all guys for today. This is all for today's video. This was Java 42. Any queries, any questions you have for me, you can post it in the comments और share करिएगा, like करिएगा वीडियो को and do subscribe my channel. Keep supporting the channel and मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ जल्दी ही. Thank you so much and keep riding.